Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. And in this video, what I would like to tell you guys is that the time and date for Rapido has been officially announced by the owner, and it is going to be on Wednesday, the 29th of July 2020, as you can see here, and the time will be 1 PM GMT. So I've posted this in our team build Telegram channel, and so what you have to do is that you have to know at what time it will be in your local time. So the official launch time for major cities around the globe, these are the cities. So it will be 2 PM in UK, 9 AM in USA, Washington DC, 3 PM in Spain, 3 PM in France, 6:30 in India, 2 PM in Nigeria, 10 AM in Brazil, 6 PM in Pakistan, 3 PM in South Africa, 11 PM in Australia, 10 PM in South Korea, 9 PM in the Philippines, 9 PM in China, 10 PM in Japan, 4 PM in Russia, Moscow, 3 PM in Italy, 7 AM in Costa Rica, 9 AM in Dominican Republic, 3 PM in Germany, 4 PM in Kenya, 7 PM in Bangladesh, 9 AM in Canada, 3 PM in Burundi, 8 PM in Indonesia, 3 PM in Poland, 8 AM in Peru, 4 PM in Turkey, 10 AM in Argentina, 8 AM in Mexico, 10 AM in Brazil, 8 PM in Vietnam. Where have I stopped? Vietnam. 5:30 PM in Iran, 1 PM in Ghana, 3 PM in Netherlands, 4 PM in Finland, 8 AM in Colombia, 8 AM in 8 AM in Mexico, 10 AM in Brazil, 8 PM in Vietnam, 5:30 PM in Iran, 1 PM in Ghana, 3:30 in Netherlands, 4 PM in Finland, 8 AM in Colombia, 8 AM in Panama, 9 AM in New York, 2 PM in England, 3 PM in Spain, 3 PM in Italy, 4 PM in Uganda, 4 PM in Tanzania, 1 AM in New Zealand, and 5 PM in the United Arab Emirates. So there is going to be a time on the official website that is going to be counting down till the launch time of the website. So if I say is you guys, if you've not seen your time here, you just have to compare this time here, 11 PM GMT on the 29th of July 2020 in your local time. Or you can contact me. I'm going to leave my details in the description of the video. So you change the time into your local time and be able to see the launch time for the website. My details are in the description of the video. Contact me, or you can contact our team build Telegram channel where all updates are going to be updated. And as you wait for the link, those who want to join our team, you can join the team. We assure you we are going to get an early link because our upline is directly in contact with the founder of the program, and we promise you massive spillovers to all you guys. So see you guys in the next video.